What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I am doing a video on me just standing in my room taking pictures of myself with a hoodie on and a mask because it's quarantine, so why not? So let's get right into it. So I have this mask here and it's pink, but I'm not sure if that like cuts off the vibes. So maybe I'm thinking maybe I should like Sharpie it. I decided that I don't have a Sharpie because I don't have a Sharpie, so I'm just gonna leave it pink and see how that looks. Yeah, good. Done it. Okay, so for the first shot, you can't even like see my face right now. I'm gonna be sitting right here at my desk. And I don't know, I'm thinking the light will set off a good vibe and like you can see the mask and like I'm studying, like it's just saying we're in quarantine and this is what life is like. So, I don't know. Let's try it. Next, I'm just gonna get a random shot of me standing like in front of the window or something and have it make it so like you can get like I don't know, cool picture of my face and then I'm gonna edit something in. I don't know. Nope, we'll see. So I just finished editing the photos and I'll check them out. This one, I don't know why, I just thought, I was thinking have a little light shining down, maybe like give it a little effect, show that all the kids that are in quarantine are working at their desks, just like working their asses off online now. So I just figured why not show me reading a book with my computer in front of me, my hand on a mouse. Anyway, that was the first one. What I did for that one was I just went to the edit. I threw on all my edits to the normal video. Took down the highlights a little bit because it was way overexposed when I first took the photo. And brought the clarity a little bit to make it really shine. I wanted to focus on my hand. I don't know why, I just thought it might look cooler that way. Anyway, and then I threw on a, and then I added fog maybe, I don't know. Thought it looked kind of cool. I'm not sure what happened to fog though. It's kind of a little too white, but I'll fix that. And then for the next one was this one. Unlike this one because it was the only one that turned out not blurry. So what I did for that one was I just added some edits. I didn't like the pink, so I made it white, kind of grayish white, and then I added some fog. And yeah, I said it looks pretty good. Again, though, I need to take down the highlight of the fog. It's still kind of bright. So, yeah. The app that I use for editing, for adding the fog it's an app called LD. It's that app right there. Can't even see it, can you? That app right there. It's called Light Distortions. Go in the App Store. It's free, 100% free, and it's easy. You just add them in, and then you can edit it. Super easy. Anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you watch my last video. Also, leave a comment below of what I should do and other photography ideas that you guys have for me. See you guys next week. Have a good week, guys.